Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about the media and the basic options of the Camtasia, and now we are going to discuss about the library. What is the library and how does it work? So let's start. So basically, I'm going to delete this one, and after deleting this, we have to click on the library section. So as you can see in the library section, you will get a lot of stuff here. For example, if you want to use the audio, you will get the audio here, which is copyright free. For example, I want this one, so we have to drag this here, and it will work. So I'm going to play this one. Now let's play this. So as you can see, it's playing in this way. Now if you want to add any other thing, so you can also do that here. For example, audio bars. If you want to use this one, you have to drag this here, and you will. So as you can see, these are working like that. Now if you want to see the channel kit, and you will see the channel kit here. As you can see, this is the preview of the file, and these are a lot of stuff. You will get a lot of stuff here. For example, if you want to cursor, click, dynamic background, and all the things are provided here, you just need to open the group category, and then you have to drag that here. For example, I want the hand drawn. We have double click on this, and as you can see, this is the hand drawn. You can see the preview like this one. If you want to other, you can also do that. You have to just scroll down, and now I'm going to click on this, and you will see the interface like this. So these are the library assets. You can also use them. Now you have to drag down, and after that you have a UI kit, and for example, if you want to use this one, you can also do that. So these are the options basically, and if you want any other, for example this one, you can also do that. These are the preview of these files. So this is the library. In the library you will get the assets which is provided by the Camtasia official, so you can use that. For example, if you want to use this one, you can also use that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the library. You just have to drag this here and it will work. So see you guys in the next video.